Let's face it. Every now and then, we do something that offends another person or makes them angry. Yet, it's not the conflicts themselves that define the strength of our connections, but rather, how we navigate through them. One powerful tool in this journey is sincere apology, a skill that can mend even the most frayed bonds and restore trust. So, how do you apologize in a way that invites forgiveness and reconciliation? Here's how. 1. Acknowledge responsibility. The first step in any apology is owning up to your actions or words. Avoid deflecting blame or making excuses. Acknowledge your role in causing harm or offense. This demonstrates accountability and shows that you understand the impact of your actions. 2. Express remorse. A heartfelt apology requires genuine remorse. Express sincere regret for the pain or hurt you've caused. Show empathy by acknowledging the other person's feelings. Phrases like "I'm truly sorry for" or "I feel terrible about" convey your genuine remorse and validate the other person's emotions. 3. Offer a genuine explanation or reason. In some cases, providing context or explaining your actions can help the other person understand your perspective. Your explanation should focus on clarifying intentions or circumstances, not shifting blame or justifying your behavior. To stimulate their understanding and empathy, explain that you did it because you were fearful. Say something like, "I was afraid you'll get mad if I confess the whole thing." 4. Make amends. Apologies are more than just words, they're actions. Offer to make amends or restitution to demonstrate your commitment to righting the wrong. Whether it's correcting a mistake, offering assistance, or making changes to prevent recurrence, tangible actions speak volumes about your sincerity. 5. Promise change. Commit to changing your behavior and avoiding similar mistakes in the future. Be specific about the steps you'll take to prevent a repeat of the situation. This demonstrates your dedication to growth and improvement. 6. Listen and validate. After offering your apology, give the other person an opportunity to express their feelings and perspective. Listen attentively without interrupting or becoming defensive. Validate their emotions and show empathy for their experience. This fosters understanding and opens the door for genuine dialogue. 7. Play the waiting game. Allow the other person time to process their emotions and decide on their terms. Never force someone to forgive you. Respect their boundaries and be patient as they navigate their feelings. After some time has passed, check in with the person to see how they're doing. Express your continued remorse and reiterate your commitment to positive change. This demonstrates that your apology was not just a one-time gesture but a sincere effort to repair the relationship. By following these steps and approaching apologies with sincerity and integrity, you can mend relationships, foster forgiveness, and pave the way for deeper connections built on trust and understanding. If you want to discover 17 psychological tricks to persuade anyone, read the Persuasion Secret Files. See description below to get it for free. Watch this video next to decode 10 subtle signs someone secretly hates or dislikes you.